Superset with reverse curls. Pause. 2. Up. Pause. 3. Up, 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 up. 4, good. Hold and kettlebells. Curling. Good. 1. Come on. 2. Squeeze. Come on. Keep your hips out. Again. Lean forward. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Lean forward. Good man. Control. Well done. Yep, yep.
3,
2,
1.
Up. Bum out, bum out, bum out. Now slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good man.